So if you notice the next section in the notes, the example says, solve the system using the substitution or the elimination method. Sometimes you're going to have to decide which method you would like to use. I personally only use substitution if I already have a letter by itself, or it would be very, very easy to get a letter by itself. For example, example C, I would probably use substitution on this one because I don't have to do step one. Step one is already done. I already have a letter by itself. And so I would be ready to go to step two, where I take this expression and plug it in for y in the first equation. So I would probably choose substitution for example C. And solve for x from there, and then substitute back in to solve for y. For a problem like example B, notice again that the x's line up, the y's line up, the equal signs line up. This one, I would probably choose to use the elimination method. And looking at my coefficients that I have right now, I noted that the y coefficients, 9 is a multiple of 3, so I would probably work toward eliminating the y's. Since I have a positive 3 and a negative 9, and I want my coefficients to be opposite, I am going to multiply the entire top equation by 3. That will change this to 9x plus 9y equals negative 45. And then when I rewrite my second equation, my y's now have opposite coefficients, and I will be able to add these two equations together and solve for just x. And then I can use substitution and go back and solve for y.